Most people get this wrong. They think all website builders are the same, but the surprising truth about Bandzoogle is that it's specifically designed for musicians, bands, and music professionals. When I tested it, the first thing I noticed was the tailored templates. You get ready-made layouts for selling music, promoting shows, and sharing media all without needing a web designer. Customizing pages is simple with drag-and-drop tools, and everything is optimized for mobile. Bandzoogle also includes built-in music selling and streaming options. You can sell MP3s, albums, and merchandise directly, keeping 100% of the revenue, which is a big advantage over other platforms that take a cut. It also integrates with mailing lists, social media, and fan management tools, making it easier to keep your audience engaged. Pricing is transparent, with plans starting affordably for emerging artists. There are no hidden fees for transactions, and you get reliable hosting included. Customer support is responsive, and their knowledge base is packed with tips for musicians. A few things to consider. Bandzoogle is niche-focused. If you are not a musician or creative professional, some features may feel unnecessary. Also, advanced integrations like complex e-commerce or third-party plugins are limited compared to general-purpose platforms. In conclusion, Bandzoogle is excellent if you're a musician or creative professional looking for an all-in-one platform to showcase and sell your work. It's simple, effective, and designed for your needs. Subscribe for more honest website builder reviews to help you pick the right platform for your creative projects.